What's up YouTube? My name is Chad. This is the Wisco Boater channel and welcome back to another episode of the Glasspar Tacoma restoration. I just got back from 4 long days of working on the big old Chris Craft Catalina Thirsty Whale. And while I was gone, I had a bunch of stuff arrive for the Glasspar. So let me show you what I've got. I've got the registration for the boat is here. Got the parts catalog for the Evinrude Big Twin 40. Got the service book, and of course my heater's going to start. Got the new interior lights that are going to replace those two, the two switchable lights that were in the cockpit. I'm going to mount these up underneath the gunnels. I think those will look pretty awesome, and they'll connect to my phone. Got a little USB charger and battery voltage reader. Got the new scupper valve for the splash well. LED nav light bulbs, LED trailer bulbs, more LED trailer bulbs. I got a waterproof stereo. Don't really need this to install right away, but I need to know the dimensions of the holes that I need to cut for the stereo head and the speakers. New trailer jack, that's where I'm going to start. Got some new axles and wheel bearings. Got new wheels and tires on the way as well. They're not here yet. And then I'm going to put a plate, a transom plate on the back, just to make sure that that's nice and sturdy when the engine goes back on. So got a nice little haul of stuff here. Oh, the steering cables are also on the way. So got a lot of stuff to work on, but first I'm going to get that old trailer jack off. Oh, that always makes me laugh. But this one, you know, the wheel is broken, and I don't know if you can tell it's bent this backwards, and it's also bent off to the side. So first thing I'm going to do is get the new trailer jack put on, and then we'll see what else I can start working on. Jumping ahead a little bit here, got the new jack installed, and I've got the dash marked for the new stereo. And for the speakers, they're going to be mounted back here. And I'm going to drill a small hole with the hole saw there, and then get the jigsaw out and finish cutting these holes out. So these should be the last holes to cut before I'm ready to start sanding, but I still have to pull the motor off, obviously. And I'll probably remove this just to get it out of the way. So, but for now, let's get some holes drilled. I did not video the rounding out of this hole because it just made a huge mess, and I didn't want my phone sitting next to it. So, but see here, we got good fitment for the speaker. It's right at the top of the gunnel here, and will fit in there nicely. It does overhang the bottom of the fiberglass here, but I'm not concerned about that. So that's looking good. Same thing on the other side. It fits the same way. And up front here we have the stereo head in place, and it fits that space perfectly. It's flush with the top and will allow for the aluminum piece of trim to go underneath it there. So I'll pull that back out, and since these holes are now cut, this is officially ready to start filling holes. Those aren't going to get filled. Those aren't going to get filled. Those are going to get filled. That's going to get filled. Everything over there is going to get filled. Same thing over there, and all those holes up on the bow. So, fairly quick night of work this evening, but good progress is made. So, happy about that. I got fiberglass dust all over me, so I gotta go inside and clean up. So, thanks for watching this short episode of the Wisco Boater channel on the restoration of the Glasspar Tacoma 14 project. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, send me some comments, and if you want to be notified when I post new videos like this one, hit that notification bell. Happy boating, everybody.